In this video, we'll design this spiral staircase. So let us select unit CGS. Now top plane, sketch, draw a circle of diameter 15 cm. Now go to extruded boss base, uh, blind 300 cm, sorry. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm pressing yes key, so it opens the shortcut bar. So from here you can adjust your shortcut bar according to your need. So when you press the key yes, the this shortcut bar will be opened and you can do your functions easily. Okay, now let's rename this to pillar. So to rename, you have to just double click the feature. Now let's sketch uh, uh, another circle of diameter 120 cm, and now aligned. Let's give this 15. Let's trim this away. Let's delete this dimension as well. We have to mirror this, so shortcut, let's mirror. Click here, this and this will mirror these two lines. Mirror about this construction line. Okay, offset entities. Let the height of first stair be 20 cm. Change this thickness of stair to 3 cm. Done. Look, so we got our first stair, step, first step, step. Let's first offset this edge. Now we are making railings, so river, uh, give 4. Let's make this line construction geometry. We don't need this in bold line, so let's make this from construction geometry, offset geometry. Draw a circle on this line, 2 circles. These will be railings for us. The distance between these two will be 12 centimeter. The distance of this circle from this edge will be 4 centimeter. Okay, make this 4 cm and make these two circles equal. Okay, now come outside of sketch mode. Okay, from my shortcut bar, I'll now extrude those. Let make this visible. Okay, shortcut bar, extrude this. Let's extrude this 50 cm. Okay, done. Let's extrude another railing. So the height for another one will be 50 centimeter plus 23 by 2, because 20 is the distance between two steps and thickness of one step is 3 cm. So 23, so 50 plus 23 divided by 2. Okay, now rename this railing. You can rename by clicking 2 times. So let's select these two and add them in a single folder. Name that railings. So okay, this is done. Now rename this as well. Steps. Okay. Sketch on this face, convert entities. From curves, you can click on helix and spiral. So height and revolution. Give this height, our height. Let's give this 280. We'll change if we need. So revolution 1. Okay, this looks fine. Then this 4 pattern. We'll pattern these steps. Let's change the height to 300 cm because now it will go up to the top surface. Okay, we have to pattern these steps till the top. So for that pattern, curve driven pattern, now go to this face. You have to select the tangent to curve option. Select this face. The features, select this step, this railing and this railing. Okay, now you have to change the number of steps are fine. You have to just change the gap between two steps to 20 cm. Now look, this looks good. Yeah. Okay. Mm, now we have one final uh, you know major step. So we had to. Okay, this looks good. We'll adjust if we need something. Okay, this looks fine. Sketch on this railing. So circle, go to again. Okay, go to features, curves, helix and spiral. Change this direction. Okay. In this 90-degree is this face. So first we have to find the angle between the first railing and this horizontal lines. So height and pitch. Draw first a line because we have to start the curve from that railing only. So another line. Okay, we are doing this to in order to measure the angle between these two. So the angle is 18.32. Edit feature. Okay, 90. 90 behind this. So 90 minus that angle we have measured recently. So counters clockwise. Now this curve looks a bit down. So we have to change the pitch. So let's make this 280 to 90. So okay, this also okay. Now this looks fine. So we make the pitch 300. So yeah, this looks good. Now sketch. Let make a center rectangle here. Okay, dimension this 10. Okay, make this one 10. Let's draw a circle here. Wait, let's draw a circle here. You can just simply make a circle. Simply you can make any geometry. So don't make too much complex geometry, but Okay, let's okay, trim this as well. Now let's mirror this side to another side. So let's first draw a line. Okay, make this line construction line. So delete this. Now from shortcut mirror, let's mirror these three lines. So this construction line will be the axis. Look, okay, we got our mirror. Okay, now go to swipe pause base. Select this sketch as surface. Now look, this sketch will be swiped all along the curve we made recently. So now done. Yes, this looks good. Okay, this looks fine. Now let's hide these two curves. Let's sketch here and let's make base. So convert entities, extrude this. Let's give this 5 cm. No, this looks a bit less. So let's give this 10 cm. Okay. Okay, draft outwards at 45 degree. Okay. Now let's make this a bit taller. So sketch, again convert entities. We can do this from here. Extrude, south bar, extrude. Okay, 100 cm. Let's make this a bit draft. So one. Okay, done. Let's go to features, insert features. Now dome, or simply you can do it from search tab. So search here dome. Okay, now go here, increase. Let's increase this. Okay, this looks good. Okay, now our staircase is complete. Look, this looks fine. Let's give it material. So let's go to metal, polished steel here. Now select body. Okay, okay, this looks good. If you want to change materials, so you can go here organic. Okay, expand this. Now go to wood. We can add wood as well. This also looks good in stairs. Let's see. Oh wait, this is first one, so we have to give another one pattern. Okay, look, you can add this wood. Yeah, this as well. But I like steel much. So I'll remove this wood texture. Okay, remove appearance. Okay, I like this polished steel much. Okay, our staircase is done. So thank you for watching.